I am a little nervous about this. I've tied the front bits to bits of tree, but the whole thing could collapse at any moment. It's now about 5:30, so I don't have very much daylight. See me sitting down cautiously on it. No. If those pine cones landed on my head, can you imagine the fright I would get? It's almost dark. Here's my floodlight. Don't sell this. Oh, there we are. It's raining, which is very bad news, but I'm so hungry. I'm just going to eat this and get wet. I'll have a glass of wine as well. No spillages, only a small amount at a time. A bit of mushroom and chilli. Really nice. Oh, I just love this. I can't say I'm looking forward to my night in the hammock though, but well. It's midnight, it's raining. I'm going to try and get into my hammock now. I'm just putting my stuff away and I'm stowing it underneath my hammock. There's a whole load of stuff I like to have with me, like my glasses, my head torch, a spare torch, my phone. It's that whole burach of getting into your sleeping bag. Got the added problem that my bivy bag doesn't have a zip. This cheap bivy bag I'm using. So you can't unzip it to get into it. What an absolute burach this is. I think I'm just about in. Right. Oh, I'm exhausted already. I don't really like this. I'm giving it a second shot. It's kind of nice lying here with the air on my face, completely open. There's something very, very nice about that. This here is going to probably fill up with rain and soak me. It's just water, it won't kill me. The rain's getting heavier. If I go to sleep, that's going to build up and build up. It's really pouring now. God. What a way to get woken up by like hundreds of geese flying overhead. I've been lying here for 2 hours. This hammock is growing on me. It's so comfy just lying here. It's very cozy, and there's something very nice about being a bit higher up off the ground. So that was my little bed there. Even though it poured rain for hours during the night, my tarp held up pretty well. Oh. I have to give this a try, even though I'm very hungry, and I'll be very gutted if it doesn't work. It's not the best looking pancake in the world, but I'm pretty, oh, ouch, I'm pretty hungry, so a little bit of sugar, a bit of lime juice. Right, roll it up. Tastes like, that's nice.